Here's the unboxing of the Energizer 1 gauge car jumper cable. Now I say unboxing because this is how it came inside the Amazon box. There's not much to it, it's really just the showing. Alright. So it comes in this little or big pouch. There you have it. Heavy, 25 foot. Got pretty good reviews. I have made a video on a cable that's like, it came inside this sort of like package with other stuff. It was like an addition, it wasn't the main thing. And I had to jump my car for like the first time because I haven't drove it in a while. And it wasn't starting. I'm like, wait a minute. You know, it's not like it's a battery pack or anything. It's just I'm using another car to jump it. And if anything, it felt like it was making it worse. Then my friend who happened to stop by the same day, luckily, he had jumper cables in his car. And he used his, and it's an old one, but it looked, pretty good. And it just jump started really quick. And you could tell it was really well made. So I don't know, but all I know is this. I said I'm gonna buy a nice one. I'm not gonna waste my money on cheap cables. So I got the best one I can get, and it was around $50-something, but I know it's gonna be a good cable. If I need it, it's gonna work. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and take care.